Alright, this is Madison's first day eating rice cereal. She didn't go for the high chair so much. But watch this. Here, ready? She's got the hiccups now. Ooh, yummy. Want more? Move your hand so everybody can see your face. Look at those lips.
She's a little confused.
A little bit. Ready? Ready? One more? She's trying to suck it off. Mmm.
She likes it.
Is it yummy? See, that's new. Different. Want some more? See, I was screaming a few minutes ago because I was so hungry.
Her lips.
Her tongue is sticking out in between her lips like that top lip. What is that? What is it? You want more? No, no, no. Take your fingers out of your mouth. Ew, yuck. Ugh. Ready? Ready? A little bit more? Here. Oh. You gotta swallow
She's
first.
taking it out. She doesn't understand what's going on.
Yeah, she's trying to figure it out. A little bit more. Ready? Gotta move your hand. Gotta move your hand. Yeah. Ready? Come on, move that hand. Ready? Ready? Very interesting experience. Want more? With her tongue. Ready? More here. Ooh, sorry.
Oh, that's nice.
Here, move your hands. Move your hands. Ready? Come on. Ready?
Did you begin each sentence with a capital
Ready?
letter?
Oh. Is that good? How about your high chair? You want to go in your high chair now?
And each sentence
She's like, no.
a period
You get yuckies
or
in your hand.
question mark? Yes.
No, 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 no. Ready?
The girls
Ready?
look happy. The girls look happy. The cow lives on a farm. Today it's
See, half of it's coming out. See, I'm doing better than I expected.
Say goodbye, Madison.
Okay,
Oh,
one
yeah.
more. Here, here.
No?
So don't laugh at me. If you had to learn how to eat, you would be doing this too. You're gonna get it off your
I
mouth.
still eat like that.
One more? You're very confused. One more?
That's my cereal.
One more? Here, here. Or you want to go back to your baba? Here, you want more? No? We over it? Want to keep eating? Can we say bye-bye, Daddy? Because I think
bye-bye.
this is getting a little boring. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Here. Here.
Oh.
Here.